Hello everyone, welcome back to channel JDS English. So in this video, we're going to talk about another pharma job vacancy update for you, and that is coming from your IIT Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Okay, and that is for the JRF position at Regenerative Medicine and Stem Cell RMS Lab, Department of Biomedical Engineering, IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so this is the thing, right? We do have two titles. Two titles means two project vacancies. Okay, two projects are there. Hana. For first one is a 3D printed organ on chip for precision oncology for uh, CA lungs, drug sensitive with cancer organoids, right? And drug toxicity by iPSC derived liver and cardiac organoids. Title 2, development of 3D printable antimicrobial composite hydrogels with metal binding peptides for anti-inflammatory effects and bone tissue engineering. These are the two titles. Okay. Now, applications are invited from talented, motivated candidates for the research project in the Department of Biomedical Engineering in the IIT Hyderabad. Okay, with the collaboration of BARC Mumbai. Okay, the name of the post over here you can see Junior Research Fellow can be converted to PhD as per performance. Fine. After that, number of posts one for 3 years. First position, that was this one. First project was for 3 years, and second project is for 5 months only. Okay. The name of the research project, as I have written over here, this is the first research project. This is the second one. This is for 3 years and this is for 5 months. Okay. Funding agency would be your ANRF or BRRS. 1 year extendable further as per grants. That would be your duration of the position, and JRF amount plus HRA would be around 15 to 20%, and 10 to 20% will be the HRA at that time. Okay, next, essential qualifications is what? Essential qualification for pharma category, here you can see M.Pharm is required with fellowships of 1 year, research experience, students with their own fellowships. All right, after that, DBT, DST, Inspire, ICMR, CGS, CSIR or EGC are encouraged to apply, especially for 5 months project, to feel the IIT Hyderabad environment before joining for PhD in their own fellowship, not from this grant. Okay. Now, preferred skill set, obviously knowledge of organoid culture for 3 years, 3D spheroid culture or microbiology experience for 5 months with cell culture are encouraged to apply. Okay. Age not more than 32. Application form is given in the Google form, and the last date would be your August 15. Fill the form before 12 noon August 15. Okay, so you have less days. All right. Now, any other queries, you can contact onto this email. Dr. Subha Narayan Rath, Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, IIT Hyderabad. Okay, shortlisted candidate, only the shortlisted candidate for the interview based on merit list will be informed via email by 17th of August, and the interview will be takes place through online mode only, not on the physical basis. Online mode only on 18th or 21st of August 2026 afternoon. Okay, as it's for two persons, no communication or query will be ended who are not going to next stage for interview. This is the thing that you have to remember. All right, next. Okay, this is the thing that we have for you guys. That is a GRF Junior Research Fellow position at IIT Hyderabad. Okay, if you have any doubt, do feel free to contact onto the comment section, and I'll be ready to help you guys. Thank you so much.